Here's a basic guide to using the VLOOKUP function in Excel. In this example, we have two pieces of information that were pulled from a single database, but each report pulled different information. The report on the left is a pricing level sheet, and the report on the right is a product description sheet that contains descriptions. If we want to import the descriptions from the sheet on the right to match the product IDs to the sheet on the left, the VLOOKUP function is the perfect tool. To use this formula, simply enter equals VLOOKUP, open parentheses, and the VLOOKUP value is going to be the shared identifier between the two sheets. We'll always want to make sure that we are selecting the identifier on the sheet that we're importing materials to. For this example, we'll use product ID 019 on the sheet to the left. Hit comma, and the next step will be to select your table range. The table range we pulled from the database where you are importing materials from. In this example, we'll highlight columns A and B. Hit comma again, and it will ask for the column index number. That simply means A represents column 1 and B represents column 2. Because we want to pull the description from column B, in our formula, we'll hit 2. The last step is to identify whether an approximate match or an exact match works for your formula. In this example, we want the description to be a perfect match to the product code, so we will type in false, close parentheses, and hit enter. As you can see, the product ID is 019, and the description from 019 on the right-hand sheet has been imported on the spreadsheet to the left. By double-clicking the small green box at the bottom right-hand side of the cell, we'll be able to fill in the rest of the spreadsheet, and you'll notice that when the product ID changes, the description is also going to change. The VLOOKUP allows us to say the information that matches this product ID on this secondary data set will import a description to this first data set.